Hi, myself Govind. Before this, I was working for Piramal Foundation as program leader for Tamil Nadu. Then I felt like I need to inculcate my leadership quality more before leading a team of 6 people. So that's why I joined this program to inculcate my leadership role, how to lead people. That's it. Right now, I'm working in Bodoland Territorial Council as BTR Development Fellow, Secretariat, Kokrajhar. Sometimes I feel I'm still in college. Like you have teachers calling and they asking whether you did homework or not. But it's fun. Like it's fun to have mentors who kept on nudging you for good things so that I can create a meaningful impact for people. Now I will say to my friend, of course, like see, I have a lot of friends who are still in corporate doing many things, running behind money. I will say like if you don't care about money, but if you want to make someone happy, you're like unknown face, helping someone who is not known to you, and if you are happy on that by helping someone unknown, you should join this fellowship because towards my journey, I have helped many one who I don't know, who never came and thanked me also, but I can have a good sleep thinking that I helped someone who I don't know. The first is always tough. Okay, for example, when I can talk about Indian National Congress when it was started, it was a huge task for them. Like in history, I'm a history student, so that's why. So challenge रहता है. Like when something is beginning, there is a challenge for it. It's also fun because challenge will gives you a lot of learning. That's good. Like some like batch 2, batch 3, I will be like ancestor for them now. I'm happy to be uncle for them. The highest point of joy is like, see, if I was someone who found that there was a gap between system and community. Things are not coming to the community, but system is functioning. It's been 70 years. Then I realized that it's not necessary I need to be a part of system. I mean to say, मैं MLA नहीं चाहता हूँ, मैं I don't want to be a bureaucrat, but still I want to be part of system as a citizen. So as a citizen, I think this practice program gives me an opportunity to be closest to the system, whereas I can bring what the community is feeling. उनको क्या चाहिए? So that gives me a lot of joy. If you are a person who finds there is a gap between a system and community and you want to fulfill it, there is a passion to fulfill it, I think Praxis program is the one which you have to opt for. Perspectives, that's what is like an important key learning we take from it. Our thoughts are very limited. When we talk to people, interact with different people, our thoughts can, it will become wider with new perspectives. Next time मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? It's not necessary I have to do the same mistake what my friend did. If he learned something new and I will just skip it and I will follow him, be a wise man, that's it.